Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to contact the seller on AliExpress as a buyer or as a dropshipper. Then I will show you two much method to contact the seller, for example reducing the price or shipping the product without price or without logo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. Then first guys, after you open your AliExpress account and creating your account with and verify it with your email address and phone number, then I will show you an example how to contact the seller on AliExpress. For example, I will pick this product. Then guys, the first method to contact the seller on AliExpress, before creating your order, just open the product that you want to buy it on AliExpress. Then on the top, this is the seller information on AliExpress. Then guys, open the account information, then you need to scroll and click on contact now. Then you can send him the message for reducing the price and as a dropshipper to send in or ship in the product without price. Then guys, the second method is go and creating your order. Then I will select, for example, the size, the category, then go and buy now to take you to shipping and payment section. Then guys, after adding the shipping address and selecting your payment method, then go directly on the top, there is the message icon. Then click and open to contact the seller directly before shipping your product. For example, please ship the product, the order, without price and no logo, for example. Then hit on confirm and place your order. Then after creating your order, there is the third method to contact the seller on AliExpress. Then go and open your account on the top, then scroll to my order section, then click on my order. Then guys, this is your order. Then on the top there is the message icon, then contact seller. Then click on contact seller, then you can contact seller on AliExpress also. As you see guys, there is too much method to contact the seller on AliExpress without no issue and without no problem. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.